Hey you beautiful people, I'm back again with another exciting tutorial and it's all about having the flawless skin. So let's begin and let's have fun. The first product that I have used today is a concealer palette using the orange from it. Basically, place the concealer on all the imperfect areas of the skin. And the first target is covering the dark circles, freckles or any dark spots. And then using a full coverage foundation, I have used Huda Beauty and that's my shade. Placing the foundation using a beauty blender, make sure you gently spread the foundation all over without disturbing the concealer. There you go, your problem is solved. You have that flawless base and you could do anything on it right now. So yep, this is how you achieve an even skin without too much of efforts. Actually, it's just using that concealer that I've used before, the orange pot. And yep, if you have a golden skin tone, if you have golden undertones or olive undertones, this is the best way to cover any imperfections. Make sure you use any eye primer before you start any eye makeup. I have used Urban Decay eye primer. Make sure you use any. For the eyebrows, I have used Bobbi Brown eyebrow palette and it is in Saddle Mahogany. The eyeshadow palette I used today is Soft Glam by Anastasia Beverly Hills. The first shade is Sienna, goes over the crease line using a fluffy blending brush. Then I have used Burnt Orange from the same palette, goes over the crease line too, just to diffuse the previous shade. Third shade is Mulberry from the same, and this goes right on the outer corner using a small blending brush. Make sure the makeup on both the eyes look even. Next is using the concealer over the eyelid, creating a semi-cut here using a flat brush. Second palette that I've used today is Too Faced, using the shade Beaming from it, placing the shade over the concealer with a flat brush. And you're almost done here. I have used a silver glitter by Urban Decay. Place it over the shade, leaving the outer corner. And then using the previous shade Mulberry, adding more drama to the outer corner and diffusing it at the same time. The eyeliner that I used today is Kate Tokyo. Not really the darkest black, but sure is a good product. And then placing the foundation with a flat small brush under the wings so that one gets that really sharp and clean wing. Using Unicorn Tears from the Urban Decay palette goes near the tear duct area and the brow bone. And gently pull the line more towards and out of the inner corner. The mascara that I used today is Better Than 6. Woohoo! How I love this mascara. For the lower lashes, used Maybelline Push Up Angel. There you go. I love this mascara too because it's small and it's perfect for the lower lashes. The concealer that I used to brighten to brighten the area under my eyes is NARS, and the shade is Ginger. Mix it up with MAC Rich Yellow with a beauty blender, gently diffusing it into the skin. Looks like I have a bulb lit up under the eyes. Doesn't it look like? It sure does to me. To keep the concealer in place, I have used some loose powder. Dab, 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 dab. That's all you have to do. And then time to highlight the cheekbones. After all, we are creating this flawless glass skin. Using Unicorn from the Urban Decay palette, Life is a Festival goes over the cheekbones, chin, over the lips, bridge of the nose. Wow, we are done here. Let's move to the next step, that's the lip shade. I have mixed two here. The first is a Korean product TikTok lip tint, and the shade is Barely Ruby. The second shade is NYX Monte Carlo. Okay, I wanted to shape my nose using the concealer palette, the darkest shade that I have used from MAC concealer palette, and I have just shaped my nose a little bit, and then using Givenchy loose powder over it just a little bit to keep the concealer in place. I hope you liked the tutorial as much as I loved creating it for you. Next look coming soon. Take care of yourself. Kisses. Bye bye.